Are we getting the car out this way? Oh no, I guess you parked it that way.
I'm not pulling it up there.
Oh,
I'm driving through the mud.
even better then. We'll just leave it right here.
Who is? You are. That's not. I'm not doing this.
The shells look real nice. How they color matched it. Yeah, look at the vent.
See, I like when they do this.
What's that? Oh, I can't see.
The encasement around the springs.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know what you mean. What do you think about this trailer? I think it looks pretty nice. Eric. Yeah, I'm taking this.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. I totally forgot you.
Do you need my ball?
I do need a ball, yeah. I only got the 2-incher.
You only got a 2.
Me too.
Yeah, baby.
That's so sick. No. I'm gonna hit every pothole.
Oh!
Yeah, that's your.
That was mean.
Let's see if you can unload a car.
Yeah. Yes.
Hey, Grandpa. It's Justin.
Didn't win.
We didn't take first, but we took something. The paint off your door.
You got to cut your wheels. You can go over that fender. No. Just. Yep, there you go. Straighten out. Yep.
Yeah, we'll bring a block. So it doesn't look like there's too much strain and pressure. No, all the weight's on the back right now. Really? The motor's up front. It doesn't matter. The car weighs 4,000 pounds. It's all on the back. You're good. Yeah, because it's tilted. It's just the gravity. It shifts all the way down, man. That's how weight disbursement works. If you unlock that valve, I bet it wouldn't shift that. Bet. How much would that? No. You know, I'm so
Do it for
confident.
YouTube,
No, that
dude.
motor does weigh I'm so confident right now. 20 grand. 20 grand. First quarter bonus. That's a lot of money. I could put that all on player and double it. like new ways to gamble.
Surprised you trust him with the car. I didn't even realize that until I got on the highway. I was like, oh wait, you're in the work truck.
I didn't know what to do or what to say. He's like, I'm taking this one. I was like, and then he calls me. We weren't even like a mile down the road. He goes, you should probably be pulling this one. I was like, no, it's fine. If anything happens, I'll just slam into the back of you and we'll double tow. Autorama 2026, baby. Let's go.
Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of the 73rd Detroit Autorama, and we have a booth down there, so we're gonna go down there, check out the show, try to sell some trailers. In the meantime, I'm just waiting on anybody. Oh, look at that. Finally showing up. So yeah, we're gonna get the truck packed up, get out of here, get down to the show.
Okay, but if it doesn't work, we can't send it this. But the deal is, if I unlock this valve and it doesn't tilt forward, John owes me $20,000. You were here for that.
I was here for that. Oh,
That's 20,000, baby.
all right, buddy.
This glass in my foot is killing me.
Try to get it out.
No, I'm not taking my shoe off here, bro. That's weird.
All right, what's the pregame thoughts?
Very busy. We had like 5 or 6 schools come through here and try to run us dry of all of our merch. So we had to hide our wheel. But now we're kind of getting into the real show, and it looks like it's gonna be busy. And it's only what, noon?
Noon. This is when it starts.
Only 10 more hours today, and till 12 more hours tomorrow, and a bunch more hours on Sunday. So this one's already got a bunch of people interested in it. And then I just showed someone the race trailer, so hopefully we don't have to haul any of these back.
For real.
It's 8 o'clock.
We've been here for 13 hours.
It's not been 13 hours.
We got here at 9. Oh yeah, it's 11 hours. And it's going pretty good. I think we've had a lot of interested people and met a lot of cool people. These cars are freaking sweet.
How was your midday? Exhausted. But it went well. Today went very well. We had a lot of traction. We have a lot of people interested in trailers. I'm pretty sure the tilt deck is sold. I'm pretty sure that one's sold. And I think we have a couple of these. Car hauler promo sold. And it's only day one. So Saturday's supposed to be even more busy. And Sunday's even supposed to be busier than today. And we'll see from there. We can get them all gone.
You think you're gonna win? You think you get an award?
I hope so.
Yeah. I mean, it's
If it doesn't win, it doesn't win, but it's got a lot of attention, so.
All right, boss man. How was your first day at Autorama?
Ooh, I put the C in closer. No, seriously. Ask the tractor.
Ask the tractor.
Yes, the tractor. At the shop.
Oh, it's gonna be working overtime.
He just broke the door. Couldn't close it.
Are you serious?
Oh, no.
Day 2.
My bad, man.
Day 2 Autorama. Me, Zach, Justin are on the way. How you boys feeling? Zach, have you ever been to an Autorama?
I have not, no.
It was
Plan
10.
today is to steal a Catalina. That's my only goal.
Give me your MX. Wow, AutoZone hates to see that guy because I'm an only. Thank you. We got
You want one,
another guy?
Ben?
Thank
Yes,
you.
please.
Thanks, brother.
Dude, for the win. Watch this parking lot be full of
Kill myself. What's up, buddy? Good, how are you? Love you. They're like guiding me in like I'm a airplane. How am I supposed to get my big out of here?
That is. Somebody's back Monday, right? I'm like,
oh, well, we're gonna be here all day, so.
Important is it to go downstairs?
It's
downstairs
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Come to our booth, Great Lakes Trailer Show. No!
That's tempting.
This stamp would not work.
Yeah, tell me. I tried. I scrubbed, dude.
You didn't see it yesterday?
No, I tried to find you guys, gone. They were like 100 feet in front of me, and I turned around, gone.
Bad right there.
How much is that worth, you think?
250,000.
Take it easy, dude.
40 something?
This is 24. How you doing, Zach? You've been here all f***ing day, dude.
man, I'm starting to feel it, but it's been a great day.
Yeah?
I'll say that.
How many do you think we got sold?
I think we got probably 10 plus.
Okay.
We're killing it.
Love it. Justin's went home early, so.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Most of the way through the day, probably got a couple hours left. Sold a lot of trailers today. Yeah, we're gonna take it easy, probably go walk around a little bit, and then call it for the day. Day 3. We just got here. We got another full day of the show to sell some more trailers, and then the fun part begins. We're gonna pack it all up and take it all back to the shop. We're gonna do some walking around later, do some interviews. I know last couple of days we've been really busy, just the booth has been popping. Everybody comes up from the escalator right over here, going into the basement, so.
Oh, jeez.
Day 3. Mitch, you haven't been here yet, dude. Have you ever been to Autorama at all?
I have not been to Autorama.
No?
No.
Look at, he just walked away. Dude. He knew I was gonna start recording, a little bastard. Didn't even want to be in the video. Zachary, how you feeling? Day 3,
Feeling
day 2
great.
for you.
Feeling great. Got a coffee. Got a monster in me.
Good mans.
Oh, you're drinking monster. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna sell a lot of trailers today.
Did you not get a monster? Oh, look at that. That's adorable, dude.
You know what?
Yeah?
Yeah. And he's friends with, remember I told you I used to work at Rec Leisure?
Yeah. That's his?
That's Little Indian Motorcycle Mini Bike. That's Little Indian, that's the dad's company, yeah.
That's so
And
cool.
Matheson, he used to own a big plumbing store, a hardware store.
Hell yeah. At a hearse?
at hers. We all dressed up in suits,
Oh, that's great.
and we went to midnight mass at Our Lady of Sorrows in Farmington Hills. It's real ritzy.
Yeah.
And he
Pulled up.
He pulled right up front to let us out. So and opened up the door.
Little clown car.
We had to open up the side door, you know, where
Oh,
the
yeah.
casket would come out.
Yeah.
And here comes 4 couples.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this is the one. Someone said they put a Cummins in a f***ing...
No, what's funny is they've been bothering me. They've been bothering me all weekend to buy pull tabs.
Oh.
Sorry.
What'd you get, buddy?
$150 on a pull tab. They've been bothering me all weekend.
What is yours? You guys looking to reinvest? What is that? Hold on.
50.
Oh my god. Is that the one she bought for me? Did she buy him?
Well, they were my money, but yeah.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
It was 150. You guys are bothering me all weekend. Time to go gamble some more. Let's go to what is it? What's the casino?
Motor City?
Motor City. Thank you so much. We're rich, Ben. We're rich. Time to go buy a car. What?
I am so mad at you.
We'll use this for pull tabs this weekend.
Where's my $3?
I'll get you the other 2 later.
Just take a pause. I don't know. I just grabbed it and left.
I thought he was about to rip it. I thought he was... Are you teaching Jared how to gamble?
3 to 5 minutes.
Suck at it.
You look like you've had a weekend.
Yeah, and it's just like, we had a great weekend. Sales were great. We met a lot of cool people, saw a lot of cool cars.
But
And I forgot the keys to mine all the way in water. Par for the course, but still had a good.
so we're staying tonight.
Might as well. We gotta go to Novi in 4 hours.
Jared, how was your first Autorama?
It was awesome.
Yeah, had a good time. Oh yeah, you made some good sales then.
That's the goal. I got a lot of people coming in this week.
Hell yeah, love to hear it.
A lot of leads, a lot of good leads, a lot of good people.
And now you're playing Baccarat.
Good card. I'm playing Baccarat. I'm learning how to play Baccarat. I'm not winning.
Did you get him on FanDuel?
Yeah. I didn't miss it.
It was Mitch. the end of the day, it's really loud in here. All these bad cars are getting out of here. Booths all cleaned up. We were just over there checking out the cars leaving. And yeah, we're gonna get the trucks in here, get all hooked up, and go straight to Novi and drop some things off, and then see you in the morning for MGIA 2.0.